Husqvarna.
I think the biggest challenge is your own mindset. Sometimes there's scenarios where there's no turning back. There's one step and you're in. Your adrenaline rises, your heartbeat rises, and there's no way of backing out. I am a lone rider, leaving everything behind and just being you, the bike, and the road. I'm definitely a person that needs to stand up and walk, and if walking isn't enough, then you need to move faster, quicker. The one thing I really enjoy about riding is that on the way to the destination, you can completely let loose. Photographing a city immediately makes me a part of it. Photography gives me the freedom to explore, rediscover, and reimagine the urban environment. And so by choosing to go against routine and getting into what is new and hidden, discovering the unknown is a way for me to stay inspired, to stay awake. It's about going beyond simply copying and to further yourself. I'm trying to find something that is more progressive than I've seen before. The motorcycle is the connection between the city, exploring, and myself.